Hey guys, Aniket here. I have noticed a lot of people are confused about the nostrification process. So in this video, I will be breaking down all you need to know about this process. Make sure you understand this properly, otherwise you might end up using a whole year and lot of money. Nostrification is all about recognizing your previous education. The goal is to check if your qualifications are equivalent to Czech education system. To get an admission letter from any Czech university, their study department will need your nostrification documents. That is, professor compare the program you studied previously to one you are applying for. To start your notification process, you will need below documents. Number 1. Application form. Number 2. Proof of payment. Number 3. Your transcript and the degree. It might be in English, Czech or Slovak. Number 4. Certified or notarized copies. For transcript and degree, certified copy, notary verified copy or supervised documents are needed. Quick note, apostille is required for India and Turkey, while the superlegalization is required for countries like Pakistan and Bangladesh. Remember, you need to send this document by post and the fees for notification is 3000 Czech crowns. Usually it takes 30 to 60 days to process, so plan accordingly. One more thing to remember, once your notification is done, you can apply to any faculty across Czech Republic. In case if you don't have your degree in hand yet, apply for admission, clear the entrance examination and secure your spot. Once you get your degree, you can complete the notification process and avoid losing 1 year. Remember, notification is for whole Czech system, while international evaluation is specific to one program at one university. Make sure you check with your student coordinator that if you need notification or the internal evaluation before you start applying. So that's it for now. If you guys find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Apart from this, I put some really important information like job fairs in Czech Republic on my Instagram channel. So make sure you follow me there as well. Thank you.